Hi there. I'd like to show you how simple it is to configure the Meridian Retail POS system to MYOB. This is a once-off operation, and once complete, this interface will allow all transactions captured on the POS system to update automatically to MYOB, and any customer accounts created in MYOB to transfer to the POS system so that those accounts may be used for customer transactions. Meridian Retail can integrate with MYOB either on a cloud level or on a locally hosted level. In this particular instance, we're going to use a local company. If we click on this button here, it'll populate this field here and give us all available companies. There's only one company here, so we're going to select that one. The user ID and password are as per your MYOB system. Once you've filled in this information, if we click on the test connection button here, it will just make sure that the two systems are talking to one another. We'll just update here, updating tax table, categories table, and that's been successful. Once this has been done, the two systems are now in communication and we can start defining how we want them to talk to one another. First, we go into account mapping. This is where we define what the default accounts are for cash sales, customer deposits, gift cards and credit notes. You can accept these accounts, these defaults, or use your own figures, your own accounts. Next, we go into item groupings. A bit of time should be spent on this. In this particular instance, this is a demo of a gift shop. So how we've split the departments up with clothing, crystal, fragrances, as you would in a gift store. What you can do here is you can default your sales in clothing, crystal, fragrances, or whatever departments you have to an individual sales account in MYOB. The default is account 4/1000, and that's where all these default departments will post off to, with the exception of homewares, which we've posted to 3000 just for demonstration purposes. You can decide how you want your sales posted, either by department, by sub-department. You can post all the sales of a particular supplier to an individual nominal ledger, or post them by season. This is where you decide where you want your payments, your different methods of payment as per the EPOS system to post to MYOB. We have them all posting into an account called undeposited funds, which is nominal ledger 1210, and loyalty points go into 5050. Again, you may have a separate account for each one of these things, or you may decide you want a different nominal ledger altogether. This is where you decide where to do it. The GST mapping, it's already set up. Code 1 in the Meridian system equates to 10% GST, and if that rate should change or additional GST rates come in, that's where we will maintain that. You may also process sales from different branches straight to the MYOB system. In this particular instance, there's two branches in a restaurant. They will default, the branch number 2 and the restaurant will default with EPOS Gen as a narration, whereas branch 01 will come in as EPOS B01. With this particular facility here, you can define how transactions from all your different branches will post into MYOB so they can easily be identified later. Again, this is a very simple process. It's a once-off process, and once it's set up, you will find that all your transactions that you capture in your EPOS system will process directly into MYOB without any hassle whatsoever. It's as simple as that.